Yo guys, what's up? If you're new to the channel, check out our first 3 videos from our nomadic adventure. When we leave the west coast of Sweden and sail towards Denmark, before we cross over to Germany, where we stay and work a few months. And then we move on again to this episode. We will give you a little tour of Leeuwarden, where we now live.
Hey guys, where are we living? Look at our cute neighbors. You're so cute. Here's the harbor, the neighbor. Here's our shower. We can take our little dinghy, go into the city. Takes about 30 minutes, but it's really nice here. Here's our chicken. Feels so sweet.
Now on our way into the city with my beautiful captain, passing through the small bridges. Once we get into town, it's so beautiful. It's like a small Venice. Soon you'll see.
Head down, darling.
Yeah, heads down.
Yeah, it's kind of low actually. Gotta keep your head down. No, we're pretty much in the middle of Leeuwarden. As you can see, the town is very accessible by boat.
The houses, they're so well kept. What are we doing? Trying to find a place to put a boat and then go to a nice coffee shop?
Yeah, pretty much.
Maybe that one. Flower power. Flower power.
Yo, back again. We just wanted to give you a look at houseboats and how people live along the channels here. And it's quiet and nice. And as you can see, everyone is driving really slow around the houses. It's a really relaxed vibe. We got about 10 minutes home, something like that. See you later. Oh, hey guys, just got home. It's raining. Pretty much, we're really wet. This is our clothes and they're all wet. You can probably tell by what we're wearing that yeah, we got pretty wet. This is just normal life when you live on a boat. But it's quite cozy once you get inside the tent. We better stay inside for the rest of the day. See ya.
We are on our way to Sci-Fi.
Yeah, we got in on volunteer deals and yeah, we're heading there right now.
And
hopefully I will play.
found a way to go with a little dinghy to get into Sci-Fi. Like the pirates we are. We're coming through. The nature is beautiful here. And now we're inside one of the small lakes. It takes us all the way in.
So we'll see you there.
Bye bye. We found a perfect little spot inside the small lake. As you see, we're so close. We're just gonna walk over there to the entrance. Yeah, see you at Sci-Fi. Oh, look what I'm steering. Totally, I don't know.
We're heading to
Anxious.
Sci-Fi and she's really excited.
Really nervous.
We got a light. We're bringing the fire to Sci-Fi because there is no fire now at all. So this is our solution. We're bringing the fire to Sci-Fi. That's what we're doing tonight.
Sci-Fi, here we come.